Hello and welcome to a Legal and Financial Minute or Two. I'm Stephen Spano.
And I'm Andrea Witt.
When people think about estate planning, they picture the house, the car, and the other heirlooms. But what about your email? Your thousands of photos that are in the cloud, your online banking? Well, today, many of your most valuable possessions exist only online.
The average person has over 100 online accounts. Email, banking, social media, cloud storage with decades of family photos, Venmo Cash, Apple Cash, even cryptocurrency. When someone passes away, their family is often completely locked out of everything and can lose their family history and hundreds of thousands of dollars.
And federal privacy laws make this even harder because without permission, your spouse or children are breaking the law by trying to access your accounts, even if you would have wanted them to do so. Right here in Massachusetts, one family spent years in court fighting Yahoo just to gain access to their deceased brother's email. It was heartbreaking and completely avoidable.
Here's something Massachusetts residents need to know. 48 states have passed laws giving families a clearer path to access digital accounts. Massachusetts is one of only 2 states that has not. Proper planning here is even more critical.
And while Massachusetts has not passed a version of the Uniform Fiduciary Access to Digital Assets Act, the good news is that some companies have implemented some tools to help. Google's Inactive Account Manager lets you name a trusted contact to get access if your account goes inactive, while Facebook's Legacy Contact program can allow someone to manage or delete your profile. And finally, Apple's Digital Legacy program works very similarly, and setting these up really only takes about 10 minutes or so for each account.
Beyond those tools, start by creating an inventory of every online account you have. But here's a crucial warning. Never put passwords in your will. Wills become public documents. Store that information separately and securely, hopefully with a secure password manager.
A secure password manager is an excellent solution. Programs like 1Password, Bitwarden, and Apple's free password app have emergency access features. With some programs, you can even allow a trusted person to request your passwords while you're alive. And if you don't respond or object within a certain time, they can get access. It stays secure, but it is available if it's needed.
Another option? Store your master password in a sealed envelope in your safe deposit box. Your estate documents should reference where to find the passwords without containing the passwords themselves.
Your will, your trust, your power of attorney, they should all include specific language authorizing your fiduciary to access your digital accounts. Without explicit authorization, most companies will simply refuse to cooperate. The power of attorney is especially important for incapacity during your lifetime so that someone can pay your bills, maintain your home, and manage your accounts if you cannot.
And don't forget about 2-factor authentication. If accounts send codes to your phone, your family needs your phone passcode too. And if you own cryptocurrency, those private keys must be stored where your family can find them. Billions in cryptocurrency have been lost forever because owners died without leaving that information.
So let's wrap up with 5 steps that you can take. First, create a complete inventory of all your digital accounts.
Second, set up legacy tools on Google, Facebook, and Apple, as well as your other accounts.
Third, use a password manager with some type of emergency access.
Fourth, update your estate planning documents with digital asset language.
And fifth, review everything annually as your digital life constantly changes.
Your digital legacy is part of your real legacy. The photos, the messages, the accounts that hold your money, they deserve the same thoughtful planning as your home and your savings.
And join us next time when we'll present more knowledge and tools to help you protect your health, your assets, your income, and your independence.
Questions or suggestions? Contact Spano, DeWicki, and Witt at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewickiwitt.com.
And thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.